Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix green line on phone screen Android. So I'll show you some solutions on how you can fix this issue on your Android phone. So one possible solution here is by restarting your mobile phone. Sounds easy, but sometimes this is the solution to fix that issue on your Android. So simply tap and hold the power button, and then right from here, you just need to tap on reboot or restart your phone. Now, the second solution here is try to update your software. So sometimes outdated softwares can lead to display issues. So you just need to update. So if there's an update on your phone settings, so just need to update that. And then once you've done updating your device, you can now restart your phone. Now, if the problem persists, try resetting your device. So go back to your settings. And on the settings, you can now go to the search box at the top, and then you have to search for a reset. Now, if the problem persists, maybe the problem lies to the hardware component. So it's best for you to look for a phone technician to fix the hardware issue. So that's how you basically fix green line on phone screen Android. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.